Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Ada. On this channel, I share simple tech tutorials for beginners using Android phone. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a Facebook tutorial on how to unfriend and block a friend on Facebook, okay? So if you've been wanting to unfriend a friend and at the same time block a friend on Facebook, this tutorial is for you. So the first thing you're going to do is to go to the Facebook app, then you tap on the Facebook app. Next, you should have the person you want to unfriend in mind, okay? So once you have the name of the person you want to unfriend in mind, the next thing you're going to do is to go to your profile picture here, then you tap on it. Then once you tap on it, it will take you to your profile page, okay? Then you go down. Here are the friends I have, okay? So to see all, you tap on see all friends. So like I said, you should have the name of your friend in mind. Then you can type in the name and search here, okay? So let me go search for any name. Okay, take for instance, I want to unfriend and block this name here. What you're going to do is to go to this three dotted line, then you tap on it. As you guys can see, it's boldly written here on friend Abuchi Okoli. Then you tap on it. Are you sure you want to remove Abuchi as your friend? You tap on confirm. Okay, so I've removed Abuchi as my friend. Abuchi is no longer my friend. So if I want to still go ahead to block this account, okay, so if I block this account cannot be able to find me, cannot be able to, yes, search for me, okay? But if I leave it at this, like if I only unfriend, this account can still find me and, send me a friend request. But if I go ahead to block this account cannot find me, okay? So that is the difference between blocking and unfriending. If you unfriend, the person can still send you a friend request, okay? Facebook can still suggest this person to you. So for us to go ahead to block this account, what you're going to do is to tap on the profile. So once it opens this person's profile, you go to this three dotted line, then you tap on it. Okay, once you tap on it, you're going to see block. Then you tap on block. Are you sure you want to block Okoli Abuchi? Abuchi Okoli will no longer be able to see your post on your timeline, tag you, invite you to events or groups, start a conversation with you, add you as a friend. If you are friends, blocking Abuchi Okoli will also unfriend him or her. Okay, so if you just want to limit what you share with Abuchi or see less of him on Facebook, you can take a break, from him instead. But if you don't want Abuchi to find you at all, what you're going to do is to go ahead and tap on block. Okay, so blocking the user, so this person can no longer find me. Okay, this person can no longer find because I've unfriended this person and I've blocked this person. Okay, hope you've learned how to unfriend and at the same time block a friend. Okay, like I said, if you unfriend, the person can still search, okay, and Facebook could also suggest this person to you. This person could also send you a friend request, okay. But if you unfriend and block, this person can never find you on Facebook. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and as well share this video with as many persons as possible. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next one and have a lovely day. Bye for now.